Nutritional requirements in children. Nutrition is the science that interprets the interaction of nutrients and other substances in food in relation to maintenance, growth, reproduction, health, and illness of an organism. A poor diet may have injurious impact on health, causing deficiency disease. Nutrition is defined as the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Nutrients. Nutrients are six major classes of the carbohydrate, fat, minerals, protein, vitamin, and water. These nutrients can be categorized into two, that is macronutrients and micronutrients. The macronutrients include carbohydrate, fiber, fats, proteins, and water. Micronutrients included minerals and vitamins. Nutrients categorized according to the quantity wise. Large amounts are macronutrients. Nutrients needed smaller quantities called micronutrients. Importance and guidelines for nutrition. First point, infant should be exclusively breastfeed for the first 6 months. After 6 months, provide nutrients which are easily digestible. Contains various antibodies which help to build the immune system. Never overfeed or force the child to eat. Introduce new foods at regular intervals to increase acceptance of few foods. Provide small frequent meals. Provide food in colorful and appealing way. Balance food with physical activity. Provide plenty of grains, fruits and vegetables and low fatty dairy products. Never stop breakfast. Involve the child in making food choices. Nutrients and primary function. First one, water. Dissolves and carry nutrients. Remove waste and regulate body temperature. The primary function of water: dissolves and carry nutrients, remove waste and regulate body temperature. And the second one, protein, builds new tissues, antibodies, enzymes, hormones and other compounds. Build new tissues, antibodies, enzymes, hormones and other compounds. Then carbohydrates provide energy. The primary function of carbohydrate is provide energy. Fat provides long-term energy, insulation and protection. Provides long-term energy, insulation and protection. Then vitamins facilitate use of other nutrients involved in regulating growth and manufacturing hormones. Facilitate use of other nutrients involved in regulating growth and manufacturing hormones. The last one, minerals, help in growth of bones and teeth, aid in muscle function and nervous system activity. Help in growth of bones and teeth, aid in muscle function and nervous system activity. Nutritional requirements in children. Water and calories. See the chart. Here we can able to see first 3 days to adult range of age and water requirement, caloric requirement. First 3 days 80 to 100 ml per kg calorie, 120 calorie per kg. Then 3 to 10 days 125 to 150 ml per kg, 120 calorie per kg. 15 days to 3 months 140 to 160 ml per kg and calorie 120 calorie per kg. Then 3 to 12 months 150 ml per kg, 105 to 110 calorie per kg. 1 to 3 years 125 ml per kg and 100 calorie per kg. 4 to 6 years 100 ml kg and 90 kilocalorie. Then 7 to 9 years 75 and 80. 10 to 12 years 50 and 70. 13 to 15 years 50 and 60. 16 to 19 years 50 and 50. Adult 50 40. Here you can able to see 15 days to 3 months and 3 months to 12 months. These are the peak level of water requirement needed. And same thing, the caloric requirement also needed in the same period, 15 days to 3 months and 3 months to 12 months. That is the most peak time to need calorie and water requirement. Next, proteins. See this chart. That's categorized group, age, protein elements, gram per kilogram per day and gram per day. Groups are infant, children and adolescent. The infant, they are mentioned 4 category wise, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9 and 9 to 12 months. Children 1 to 3 years, 4 to 6 years and 7 to 9 years. In adolescent, separately male and females 10 to 12 years, 13 to 15 years and 16 to 18 years. In this chart, very clearly mentioned how much needed per day according to the age wise. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are main source of energy and supply bulk in the diet. They contribute a taste and are essential for digestion and absorption of the foods. Carbohydrates play an important part in infant nutrition as they spare proteins to be fully utilized for growth and various repair process. All carbohydrates are ultimately oxidized and converted to glucose. Glucose is used as a fuel by brain and muscle or converted to glycogen and stored in liver and muscle. Sources of carbohydrate in infant diet is found in the form of lactose in both human and cow milk that should be provided up to 6 months. Lack of adequate carbohydrate may produce symptoms of starvation, undernutrition, constipation, loss of body protein. Fats. Fat supplies 40 to 50% energy needed for the infant. It provides protection and support for organs and insulation of the body as adipose tissue. It is a carrier of fat-soluble vitamins. Fats are concentrated sources of energy and make the food palatable. Fats and oil are termed as lipids. Saturated fats. Animal sources such as meat, egg, milk and dairy products. Unsaturated fats commonly found in the plant and fish, beans, all cereals, nuts, cooking oil. More fat intake in diet can cause indigestion as it remains longer in the stomach. Deficiency of all fatty acids may result in growth retardation, skin disorders, susceptibility to infection, neurological and visual problems. ICMR has recommended a daily fat intake of 25 gram per day in young children and 22 gram per day in older children. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic substances, are essential micronutrients for maintenance of normal health. Vitamins enables the body to use other nutrients and help in maintenance and protection of good health. Vitamins are classified into two groups: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Vitamins requirement of individual child may vary with activity, age, body weight. Vitamin requirements is more in preterm babies. Infant get adequate vitamins from mother during lactation. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic element required by human body for growth, repair and regulations of vital body functions. A well-balanced diet is a sufficient quality of minerals. Minerals are required for maintenance of osmotic pressure, supply of necessary electrolytes. Minerals are classified into macrominerals when their daily requirement is 100 mg and microminerals when their daily required less than 100 mg. This chart shows mineral allowance in age ways infant to 18 years.